Hello friends, today I will show you how to reset Minecraft settings to default. First I will open Minecraft and mess up some setting. I am changing everything randomly. Now quit Minecraft and open up Run. Go to %appdata% and open the .minecraft folder. Scroll down to find the options text document. Delete this file. Now open Minecraft again. As you can see, all my settings have returned to default. Thanks for watching.